Today we'll talk about how can you select who can tag you on your pickup. We're going to figure out the selection or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings and come to this list, and all you have to do, just click here on privacy here. So when you just click on privacy, it's going to take you to next step. Just switch into open video. So then you go down here and you come here to photos. Then here can you come here to who can tag me in photos. Just click on it. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list here. Then here can you select. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,